Another celebrity marriage don dey enter inside drain o. We just hear say Paul Okoye wife, this one will be among the P Square group. One of the twins wife now don write out petition for the husband. Say she wan divorce this man. Wow. Are they very surprised about this kind thing? Because I think say that these two couples, they very, very happy. Because of the kind pictures where they always post. Now we come dey hear say, Mrs. Anita Okoye don decide say she won't leave this man. And make una no forget, e no too tey wey be say this woman just relocate go the US. Me, I come the reason say, maybe na the man na want happy relationship for him pikin and him family. I feel say na wetin make am come decide say make him carry these people go. Not knowing say something don dey cook inside pot. Not knowing say these two people they don't decide say they won't leave themselves. Wow. After 17 years, 3 children, and this marriage now come decide say it won't come. I beg you, which kind devil now don't enter inside relationships? Because now it be like say every couple one they don't divorce. Everybody now any small thing they won't separate. It means everything they see online. In fact, everything now wash. One I go say couples they smile, lovey-dovey. In fact, it be like say everything na lie. They post all these things so that we go just they see they happy for them. All their marriages, it be like say corner something they inside this one. But anyway, now these people decision anything where they won't do, make they do. But they don't both agree, say okay, 2 of them go take care of the children. But if na so na want am, na una marriage. Any now when I go do am, make na do am by myself. My people, I hear this story as make I bring am come, make na service na ear. Hear wetin dey happen. If you na get anything to talk about this divorce, make na write and put inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for the next video. One man just confessed to defiling a 4-year-old girl. So all these rapists, una never still get sense. After Baba Ijesha, una still get na still carry this thing. Still they misbehave for up and down. Anyway, we gonna say person will commit this crime in name na Mr. Noke Adegbomi. And we gonna say this girl mama komoto. Now there this man now come see am a strategy. Say make him pull this girl come inside. Be na sweet you stay deceive am. Come carry this girl enter out before we go see. Or God don't destroy this girl fountain. My people beg. Make na follow me watch.
The first one, Noke Adegbomi, who went and raped or defied a 4-year-old girl. The mother was not around. He lured her into his room and had sex with her. And when the mother came, the mother was looking for the daughter and she was calling her, only for her to discover that the girl came out of the suspect's room. And she made inquiries. She took the girl to her room and she checked her very well. And she said she saw sperm around her private parts. That was what made her to raise alarm, and we were alerted, and that was how we came in. He was arrested, and he has also made them. She has also confessed to the crime.
Just carried the girl inside, sir. So, and I start praying with the girl, sir. So later, and I off his pants, sir. So later, and I start from, and I remove my boxer, sir. So later, and I remove my pennies, sir.
Chai! People sabi perform wonders. Say this one now, so if your mama no check, come see sperm for this girl, but now so this girl go those day. They walk out freely. Behave like say no do anything for this girl body. But now they hear the rubbish where this guy they talk. Say I remove her pants and I remove my boxer, sir. I don't know behind the thing say I think they add this sir. They go release in what's I'm going to call in detainment. Because the way they add, I don't know behind out of pity they talk like sir, I remove him pants. Which kind of mumu talk they talk? Adult person, you carry 4-year-old girl put inside your room. Say you won't go they follow and sleep. And I beg, if like say this whole thing where they happen as grown up men, they sleep with. If like say don't they too much. I don't know what thing they even enjoy inside. Because to carry small pikin, where we say she don't know what thing they even see inside. Where we say we can't gather mind. Say now your neighbor, you don't even go far. Your neighbor pikin, person where they live inside house with. Now you can't do this one for. And what the first police can't see they hide this one face. Person will commit this kind big offense. And I suppose even, in fact, zoom in face, make everybody see him. And I call this making face back. Face back to do it. If let's say that they even help and cover up. But parents, I don't always they talk am. You as mama, you won't come out. You not keep your pikin under anybody. You just leave am. There your pikin na goat. Where the pikin they use, I don't know what they reason as your pikin as. You can't leave am there. Now what make this guy get moral? He don't know so okay. By this time, he has to go carry a load. Come out. So he don't know the time where we say you go come back. Now what make can they do this kind of thing? Now say he don't go defy this small pikin. And at least if you know say person no dey house, so you go drop his pikin. Find person where you trust. Carry am go put for there, or you carry your pikin, carry am go with you. No be say you go leave am for house. Say ain't go dey play. Una dey see where play don't lead person. And I sure say wetin they go use they deceive this guy. You know go pass 20 naira something. So to be saying a small change, chicken change money. Now they go use that to drag this girl. And bros, 4 years you don't even pity this girl. I shower full everywhere. You know I go even carry one. Pikin. Now you can't decide say you won't go carry. And told me I don't reason this thing say for this man to penetrate through this girl. In fact, no be their first time. This man don't they do these things because one the pikin no cry. If not be say the mama even check the girl no talk. See and I know say 4 years pikin they don't they talk. So some children I don't know behind a training. Behind they fear I know they understand. Because 4 years old pikin person talk you suppose go tell your mama say mommy this so person do this one. But the girl self nothing. They don't buy sweet and zobo for you now. Your body don't calm down. But thank God say they don't catch this man now. And him go face the whatever law they want, may they even give him. I pray say they go even find one kind sweet sentence. So that by the time we go there for in life, if he see small pikin, in fact, if he see woman, in fact, he no go ever open leg. Maybe for in next life, now Reverend Father ain't go come as. Because this kind of how person go in your right mind, go decide say na this kind thing won't go do. And I beg government, if blessing I go borrow small Sharia law. Maybe if person do something, maybe they cut hand or do something, maybe by then, people's senses go they open. Maybe by then they go to reason and say, this kind of act what they do, the thing no good. I be my people, what I talk, what I say feel about them. Anything when I feel like I write and put inside the comment section. Make sure stay tuned for the next video.